You know how to conduct a proper and thorough needs assessment before you do a presentation. If you're not sure about this or the answer is no, how many sales has it cost you in the last few years? My name's Al Patey and I can help you change that. Today I'm going to talk about the most important skill in consultative selling. It's the art of recognizing and understanding prospect needs. I call it piggyback questioning. Let's look at this image. Let's use quality as an example. At the tip of this pyramid, that's all that quality means. Almost nothing. As you start asking questions moving down, let's say you ask 5 to 7 questions, the need morphs into something completely different. People buy for these reasons down here, not for the word quality. So, what do you do with all this information? Well, we use it to customize our presentation as a solution to the prospect's problems. Then we can customize our benefit statements and quantify the outcomes based on their information. This gives you a value proposition. The better type of question to ask are open questions, and they start with who, what, where, when, why, and how. And I call them 5 W's and an H. Now, here's the 3 core steps in the needs assessment model. 1, we ask questions about problems. 2, we ask multiple implication questions about those problems. And lastly, step 3, we ask a question that quantifies the costs associated with the implications of those problems. Simple questions like, what's the financial impact of that? What we're doing here is dollarizing their problems. Here's piggyback questioning. You ask the prospect a question. They give you an answer. The next most important question you can ask is the one that piggybacks on what they just told you. Nothing else is relevant at this point. So Veronica, what do you mean by poor quality?
The deck has excessive knots and water stains, which affects the look of the deck, the appearance of the deck, which impacts our customers.
Okay, and how does it impact your customers?
It's really pretty simple. They complain and they go to the competition. I lose sales.
Keywords or phrases that allude to prospects' needs turn gold. Write them down when you hear them. Here's a statement again. Watch this. All the needs turn gold, so we've got to train our brain to listen for and recognize these keywords that allude to needs. Our current technology is too old, and we can't do all the new procedures that we want to do. Logical question. How old is your current technology? Next question, what new procedures can you not do? Now, you'll get a chance to practice this skill using your smartphone. There's 10 sets of problem statements. Do one set at a time. Listen for the golden words, write them down. Piggyback on them with your questions using your smartphone, tablet, or your keyboard. Remember to focus on what the prospect is saying, not what you want to say. Use all this information in your presentations as your value proposition. Good luck and good selling.